Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm heading out to the wilderness and stuff soon, and I needed a little hat that I could pack up really nice and small. You see this thing here, it gets super small even in the bag, and we're going to give this thing a try and see how ugly it looks or nice it looks. You guys be the judge. So I got a gray one, so it's just kind of a gray baseball cap, and you see this is what it looks like here. Nothing too fancy, and I can put it on, and so it's got like a brim on it, so that's nice. So I can use this around camp. It's got a nice feel to it. It's actually really comfortable. UPF 50 plus. It's nice. It's got some protection. Comes with a little bag. I guess this is a bag, so when I fold it up, I can fit the whole hat in the bag. So let's give that a try. Man, my hair's nasty. Okay. Actually, that size was like perfect for me. I don't even need to adjust it, but it is Velcro adjustable. And what does it say? A brand? I don't know. It's got that little logo there. Oh, here. Ooh, you guys probably pronounced that one. GADIEMKENSD. Not enough vowels. Okay, so let's see if we fold it up. So we're going to fold it. So we'll fold it like here, here. Fold it up like that. And we'll stick it in the bag. And there we go. Boy, it fits with the bag with a lot of extra space. It's kind of cool. It's like a sunglass bag size. And I got my whole hat in there. So I'm going to say this is really cool. So this will probably be my new go-to hat all the time because it folds up nice and easy. I can stick it in the glove box or whatever in the car and cinch it up. Very cool. So 2 thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.